Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super helpful: how to turn on subtitles on YouTube mobile in 2025. Whether you're watching in a noisy environment, learning a new language, or just prefer reading along, subtitles can make your viewing experience way better. This guide is straightforward and tailored for the latest YouTube app updates, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the YouTube app installed on your mobile device. If it's not updated to the 2025 version, head to your App Store and grab the latest update. It's crucial for these features to work smoothly. Once you're all set, open the YouTube app and find a video you'd like to watch. Tap on it to start playing. Now, as the video plays, gently tap the screen once to bring up the video controls. You'll see a bunch of icons at the bottom, like play, pause, and volume. Look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear or 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on that to open the video settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down until you spot the Subtitles or Captions option. In 2025, YouTube has made this even easier with a dedicated toggle. Simply tap on it and you'll see a list of available languages or subtitle styles. Select your preferred language, English, Spanish, or whatever you need, and voila, subtitles will appear on your video. One cool tip: if subtitles aren't showing up, double-check that the video has them available. Not all creators add them, but YouTube's auto caption feature might generate them for you. Also, you can customize the subtitle appearance, like font size or color, right in those settings for a personalized touch. And there you have it, subtitles turned on in just a few taps. This feature is a game changer for accessibility and enjoyment. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.